Good morning. Welcome to your daily operations weather briefing at 8:15. We have cloudy skies out there this morning after we had a cold front move through last night. We saw some showers and thunderstorms with that cold front move through. We'll see another round of showers and possibly some heavy rain for this afternoon and the evening hours as an area of low pressure rides along the cold front that has stalled south of the area for this afternoon and for this evening. Looking at our surface analysis of 9Z this morning, we do have this cold front across the Carolinas that's currently stalling out across the region. Have an area of low pressure of the Tennessee Valley that's going to be riding along that cold front / stationary boundary that's going to give us our rainfall for this afternoon and for this evening. That's going to provide us with more of a cooler weather pattern for our region for today, with temperatures in the 50s. Rainfall moving in the area for the afternoon hours, so once that rainfall does move in, we'll see the temperatures remain steady or slowly drop during the afternoon evening hours. So it'll be kind of a damp and raw day out there for today, with temperatures in the 50s and rainfall moving into the region. Looking at our observation page from this morning, we do have that area of rainfall starting to move in from the western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region towards the central portions of the Mid-Atlantic region this morning. They'll continue to do so for the mid-morning and late morning hours, and then finally move into our region for this afternoon. We have northerly winds this morning. That's allowing for us to have fairly cooler temperatures than what we've been seeing. Temperatures in the upper 40s this morning with dew points in the mid-40s, so a little bit of a drier and cooler air mass in the region. That air mass will remain over the area even though we do have the rainfall moving in. You can see our winds becoming more northeasterly for this afternoon, and will become quite breezy at times with that area low pressure developing along that stationary front. That'll give us some breezes up to about 23 knots for this evening with that area low pressure moving off the Carolina coast. Looking at the short-term model here, the HRRR, we can see a rainfall starting to move towards the region. This here is a snapshot at noon today. We can see the rainfall just off to our west, and then by 1 o'clock it's moving in over the Wallops region. 2 o'clock we can see we have widespread or good coverage of rainfall across the region. Some of that rainfall could be moderate to heavy at times, and especially moving toward the evening hours, we have a second batch of rainfall. This is at 8 o'clock tonight, looking at that rainfall moving through the region, possibly heavy at times, and then finally moving out of the area during the late evening hours into the early morning hours. We're still seeing some low cloudiness across the region during that time period for the overnight time period, with periods of drizzle and light rain, so the damp conditions will still remain in the area. So currently, as of 8 a.m., we do have overcast skies at 1,500 feet. Our winds are northwesterly at 330 azimuth at 8 knots. Temperature at 49 degrees and relative humidity at 79%. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a slight chance of some rain showers and also a slight chance of ceilings under 500 feet for the late morning hours. Once we move in the afternoon hours, we'll really see those rain chances pick up. Looking at orange category from 12 to 4 o'clock today, and then after 4 o'clock today until 8 o'clock, we'll see a red for rainfall likely during that time period. Could be seeing some moderate to heavy rainfall as well during that time period. We'll continue to see those rain showers and possibly drizzle during the late evening into the early overnight hours, with the orange for our rainfall chances, and then for our early Wednesday morning into the post-dawn time period, we'll see just some lingering drizzle across the region, and that's going to provide us with a yellow for the precipitation. Looking at a chance of seeing winds at or greater than 25 knots during the evening hours into the late evening hours, with a peak wind at 23 knots during that time period. Our temperature for today will remain in the 50s, seeing a high at 54 degrees, and we'll see temperatures falling in the upper 40s for the late evening hours. That rainfall really moves in, and then the overnight time period we'll see a low of 45 degrees. As I mentioned, we'll see a lot of low cloudiness across the region, with the best chance of that low cloudiness below 500 feet during our rainfall. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see our skies becoming broken at 1,000 feet, overcast at 1,500 feet from now until about 11 local, and then after that time period we'll have skies in general broken at 1,000 feet, overcast 1,500 feet, slight chance of some rain showers, and then during the afternoon hours we'll see those rain showers move in A likely scenario, we have some moderate rain showers and a slight chance of heavy rain. And then during the overnight time period, we'll continue to see those low clouds in the area, and then patchy drizzle during the overnight time period. Once we move into Wednesday, 8 o'clock local time, we'll just see overcast skies at 800 feet, a slight chance of some patchy drizzle still in the region. Our tides are a half to 1 foot above normal. I'm looking in the next few days for Wednesday into Thursday. Wednesday will be cloudy and slightly breezy with lingering drizzle during the morning, then overcast to mostly cloudy in the afternoon, a high of 53 degrees. So it will be kind of chilly once again for Wednesday. We have a yellow for precipitation during the morning, and also our ceilings below 500 feet during the morning with that drizzle possible. Wednesday night we'll see mostly cloudy skies, a low of 47 degrees, so not quite as cool as we'll see tonight. And then for Thursday, we'll see a little bit of a warm-up with mostly cloudy skies, slightly warmer conditions, and a high of 60 degrees with the green chart for both Wednesday night and Thursday. That's going to complete the 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Brief. We'll be back at 10 o'clock this morning for a look at the next 7 days.